Hi friends, today we are gonna do the first lab in Amazon SageMaker. First we will click this start lab. When the lab is ready, we will click this AWS button in here. It will redirect us to another web page. In that web page, we are choosing the services, which is the here, and in the services choose um, we will choose the machine learning. Yeah, it's here, and from here we will choose the SageMaker. Now to create a notebook instance, we will click this notebook and click here. Now to create a new notebook instance, you will click this button. Then you will enter the name of your notebook instance in here, and you will choose the ML MLM4 X large. I think this could be the processor or something. And from here you will choose Amazon Linux to Jupyter Lab 1, and for the additional configuration we are choosing ML pipeline, and rest of the settings are remaining same. Now then we are creating notebook instance, but I have already did this part. So after that, when your notebook is ready, it will status in service in here, and you're opening the Jupyter Lab. When you came to Jupyter Lab, and you will see a screen like that, and there will be in the file in here just will be Python cheat sheet will be seeing it for you, not this one. I have imported these files and I created this file, this new notebook. And in here we can see open kernels and terminals in here. This is for Git repository we are not using, so it's not important. These are open tabs which are opened in here, and this is giving the table of contents of the notebooks, and you can find here the sample notebooks in the lab instructions. It wants us to copy a instance from here. It was the name of it, yeah, linear learner minist. So you will come here and just linear learner, yeah, minist, and you will click here this one, and you will click this create a copy, which I have it already. Then it wants to create a new notebook. Let me do it for you again. You will choose in here Conda Python 3, and you will select. For now, for here, it wants a markdown. For this markdown, it will be, I think, import file. I'm not exactly sure. It wants importing data. Actually, we are importing data. Yeah, importing data. After that, you will just shift enter to run this block. And when we run this block, actually now you can see the table of content, and I have not given the name of this again. So when you come here, see the table of content. Actually, it was yeah, here you can see now the importing data, the table of contents in here. Also, you can choose markdown here or pressing. I think it should be M or K. I don't remember. Yeah, M. If you press M on the keyboard, you can choose markdown, and again clicking the B, the press B will automatically create a code block. In this markdown, we are not gonna use it. We are using this code block now, and I don't know how to delete it. Yeah, to delete it, what can we do? I don't know. Let me just let me just copy the code in here, which already given. By the way, the space in the code is important because in Python language, so you should be careful to giving a space. Now we will also create a new code. Just press ASH. Yes. Yes. See. And now press B to create a new code block. Now in here we will take this and we will copy. Now if I'm gonna shift enter or just run from here, this code is importing warning request zip file libraries and pandas library as ERFF. Just we import ERFF skippy. Anyway, in here we are going this URL address, and we are getting a zip file, and to get this zip file we use request, and after we get this zip file we extract this zip file, and the extracted zip file should be in here. Yeah, we have already extracted, and this is a ERFF file. This is a data file like Excel or like text. I mean, there is some file like JSON. This is the ERFF format, and when you click here, the data will show here. These are our samples. For example, this is one sample. For example, this is a patient, and this patient is abnormal, you can say, or sick, and these are the features, and these features are here: degree, step analysis, whatever what it is, and we'll get the data and we can now access from here. Now what we are gonna do to work with this data, we are using the pandas library. To use pandas library, we are just copy this code in here, and when we run, yeah, it will get this table. What this table is does, it is getting the top in the top uh, in the top part of this uh, column 2C week IRFF, and actually you can check what this ef.hat do to show to remember the what this do. You can actually go this Python cheat sheet, and after that when you go here, yeah, now it should be in the below, yeah, numpy and pandas, yeah, and pandas should be in here actually. Where is it? Yeah, here. It's viewing the top data. It shows the top data and some of other features you can learn from here, or if you already know, you can check from here. Also, some basics like functions, lists, file handling, loops, tuples, you can see in here. It's prepared for the learning Python. So I think that's all. Let me check. Yeah, yeah. At the end, if you want to again, if you want to access these data, you can just come here and you can right click and you can download it here, because this session will be automatically closed after this time is main time finished. So there was 2 hours when I started. This is the how much time left. Thank you for listening to me. See you in the next lab.